Let's meditate. Sit comfortably. Make sure your phone ringer is off and any distractions. We're going to do a little movement by inhale, reaching up, a nice little back bend. Exhale, just to create space around our spine. Inhale, exhale, and then inhale again. Side bend to the left, and then one more time, both arms, both sides, and exhale. Close your eyes softly. You can cross at the ankles if you're sitting in a chair, or extend your legs out if you're on the floor, or cross-legged. Hands in a comfortable position, right and left thumbs touching, or whatever works for you. We'll take a couple deep breaths just to bring our attention inward. Full deep belly breathing. And a few gentle lion's breath, bringing your finger, interlacing your fingers, bring your hands underneath your chin, inhale up. This is a nice little back bend. Exhale. Just two more of these. Good. Again, make sure you're comfortable. We'll meditate for 10 minutes. So you can silently say, for the next 10 minutes, I am going to meditate. If you have your own personal mantra, you can use that. Otherwise, the mantra that I love and I love to teach and share with others is Soham Namaha. Soham Namaha. So just begin repeating your mantra easily, effortlessly, without moving your lips or your tongue, knowing that this beautiful mantra just has the essence of I'm coming back to my true self, coming back to my true self, which is of peace, harmony, creativity, love, and compassion. Soham Namaha. Beautiful Sanskrit mantra we use as a tool to calm and quiet our mind. I'll keep track of the time, so you continue to meditate easily and effortlessly with this wonderful mantra. If your mind wanders to other thoughts, just gently come back to your mantra. If you get distracted by a noise in the environment, or even if an emotion comes up, treat these like you would a thought. Gentle, easy repetition. Almost as if you're listening to your mantra being said. Enjoy. Keeping your eyes softly closed, stop the repetition of your mantra. Always remember after meditating to just take a moment to settle in the stillness, in the silence, before opening your eyes and moving back into activity. You can extend your arms up to just do a little movement. You can sit back in your chair. Just deepen your breath a little bit, full deep belly breathing. And then bring your palms together, hands to heart. Just notice this calm, more relaxed, peaceful feeling. And let's bring our fingertips toward our forehead, acknowledging your beautiful body, your beautiful mind, beautiful spirit that shines through your eyes, and hands to heart. Namaste. Enjoy the clarity, the calmness, the peace of mind that comes when you meditate.